Okay, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a piece of good news you heard from others.
In our day-to-day life, we hear a lot of news, some others, some are good and some are not so good. Today I would like to hear that the one of the news in my hometown, because my hometown is a major problem is not here in a hospital, but when I go to park for walk, then I my neighbor is talking about something, then I came to know what about the talking about topic. My neighbors says my major problem is resolved last week. The hospital, in Trust Hospital, international level, is going to open.
Okay, thank you so much. You have spoken for 1 minute 19 seconds. You got serious issues with your sentence structure, grammar, and the ideas you are elaborating. Mainly, you should focus the good news, right? And yeah, the news is about opening the hospital.
Okay.
So you should highlight that hospital. You should mainly talk about the good news and hospital. So this is how you can stay on the topic. Now let's go on. Do you like positive news or negative news on the media?
Yes, preferably I prefer the good news, because good news is better than bad news. Bad news. Then you in question your answer. I like good news.
Okay, do you think we should give bad news directly or indirectly?
Sorry.
Do you think we should give bad news directly or indirectly?
I not usually I am not like the bad news, but the directly or indirectly bad news listening to me, but I am not happiest in the bad
Okay.
news.
All right, you'll have to work very, very hard with your basic English, tenses, sentence structure, helping verbs, because there are serious issues of clarity. And I mean, what you try to speak, it's not understandable.
Yes.
So you should focus all these things, okay?